Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A little energy, still not feeling good, so I'm sorry. Hopefully I will be back to myself on the next film. But I got my Boxycharm and I am so excited. I can't wait to break into it. I busted open the seal so I didn't have to fight with that. But if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription box that you pay $21 a month and you get 5 full-size items every month for $21. It is always over $100 every month. It is probably one of my favorite subscriptions, and I'll leave them linked below. But yeah, I love it, so definitely let's get in. But it comes in a box, has Boxycharm right here, and of course you have your shipping information. And then you open it up and this is what it looks like. It's got like this velvet cottony thing here so your stuff don't, and you open it up and you got all your products here. And my favorite thing is it comes with a card to let you know about our stuff, and it also has a 10% off It Cosmetics, so that's an awesome thing. Yeah, so it tells you all about your stuff. So let's see what it says. So the first thing I'm noticing is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So that's cool. I like the Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. But yeah, this looks like a green mint color. So that's pretty cool. So I'm excited about that. And that is $22. It says this cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. And this says it's Alicia's favorite, $22. $22, that paid for the box right there. Next thing I see is Dermova Lace Peel with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliation facial mask with comprehension lace support. Well, it looks like that. What is this? This says, this is $30 by the way. $30. This says the detoxifying charcoal peel off paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. And this is Juliana's fave, $30. So I have never heard anything like this before. I am excited and scared all at the same time. So we definitely have to see. I'll keep you updated on that one. The next thing I see in my box, oh, KatVon D is here. So this is KatVon D Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E, sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the nourishing comfort they deserve, and this is $20. And I got the color Lovesick. Oh yeah, how beautiful is that? I love KatVon D's liquid lipsticks. Okay, that's a cute color. I love her lipsticks. So I'm excited to see that in the box this month. That's awesome. And next is It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I don't think I've ever used this mascara, but it comes in a box like this. This is a full size. So let's see, where's that at? This one's $24. This is the top, this is $24. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint makes for the thickest, most defined lashes ever. Let's see the wand. Okay, I don't really go for wands like this, but hey, I love mascaras and definitely excited to see what this can do. What else we got? Okay, so this is the last thing, and this is a palette by Pure Cosmetics. It's called Midnight Masquerade Face Palette, which goes along with the Masquerade face. on the Ipsy bag. That's neat. Okay, so let's open it up. It looks like this, real cute. And this is $38. This is a 10-piece face palette that will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. The limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelids for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. Okay, very pretty packaging. Oh, okay. It smells, it's got a smell. Okay, so you got your face over here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so those are those colors. This is what every video, y'all hear my crazy dogs? So these are those colors. They're very pigmented. Let me get my Huggies. Very pigmented. But my dogs, I'm telling you. Any little noise. I'm confused when it's saying making a bold statement with 4 shimmery face powders. What? What do you mean? What is 4 shimmery face powders? I'm confused. Okay, so looking at this palette, I don't think you could use it like a just one-time palette, but now it's very pigmented. Like, wow, very pigmented. These colors are like, whoa. Now that brown color don't look worth a shit, but that's what you got. Okay. Whoa, they're very pigmented. Good gracious. And then let's see, silver, that beautiful green color. Look how pretty that green color is. That green color is gorgeous. I'm excited about that green color, but I'm confused on the shimmering face powders, because you definitely cannot wear that on your face. And it's not a blush, because that is like shimmery. That's a beautiful color though. So I'm excited to use them on my eyes, but we're not going to be using them on the face. So yeah, definitely keep you updated on that one. So let's see what our total is for the month. So the total for this month is $134. Like, they are amazing. I love Boxycharm, and now they've got the Boxycharm Ultimate or Ultra, something like that. I can't wait. Mine starts in December, so that will definitely be coming your way. So yeah, that is my Boxycharm for the month of October. Cannot believe we're in October. It is soon to be the holidays, and I'm so excited about that. So yeah, I will be coming at you with more videos in the future, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Please become a part of the Tea Club. I would love to have you and our family on here on YouTube. And make sure you like this video if you like these types of videos. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.